Hello and welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. It's really late already. I need to get in the hang of this vlogging everyday thing. So I have been teaching a lesson today, helping Karen, and then Karen and Jen came in to say hi to my gerbils. I have been tidying it up and I'm just about to go put a washing on, and then I'll continue a bit of tidying, and then I'm going to go out in the yard and hug my pony and feed the horses, because I can do that. Yeah, I think that's it. Never shown you my room, so let's take advantage of the fact that I have been tidying so it's not a complete disaster. So here we go. This is my little room, and the doorway, I mean, you maybe can't see it so well, but crash. Anyway, so here is my little cozy room. Here's my camera kit, because when I don't do horses, I love taking photos. So there we go. If you're Norwegian, then you probably do know what floordrobe is, and it's like a real classic. Well, just to let you know, I have the calendar. So, I'm going to do a little bit more tidying up here before I'm going to go out at the ponies. Mind your head. (5:30) and it is pitch black. You can only see the light from the stable. Depressing is that. Shh. This one, because she's just special. Danza? Hi! You want dinner? Dinner? Oh! Oh, look at that face! It's vicious! What's that all about? Right, I'm going to crack on, continue feeding this lot. And now I'm going to take advantage of Heather coming down soon. So I'm going to go and brush Danza because I can't put the rug on myself. So, handicapped. One hand is no bloody good, is it? Look at the state of you. Look at the state of you. Oh my God. Pony. Hi, you're so dirty. You want to be brushing? You want some brushing, do you? Okay. Oh my goodness. Is that better, princess? Is it better? Oh, that's better. Still a bit dirty. You're still a little bit dirty. But not too bad. Not too bad. orientated, and when she has food in here, I'm definitely quite far down on the list of interesting things, because it's basically food, 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 food. Oh, don't snort at me, that's true. Food, 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 food. Oh, what a face. What a face. What a face. Like this face. I am quickly going to go up to the school and give you some horsiness, because my vlogs feel so empty without the horses. Come, 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 come. Hi. Say hi. Come on. Did you say hi?
I want to say hi, but look at me, I don't want to be in it. Go point it that way. Keep the rein a little shorter. Good. Good.
Look at that here.
Let's see.
I can see.
That's all you get in. My old man's worked really hard.
He has. He's a good old man.
Super job.
So my camera ran out of battery, so I'm just sitting here editing, and it's almost done, but obviously I hadn't done this like toodaloo message, so I'm doing that now from the most comfy position. I hope that you enjoyed it, and Pascal, bless him, he will be 22 soon. Isn't he just a little legend? Oh, Pasquale. The reason I'm kissing the screen now is because he's there. So anyway, I am going to say bye-bye for today, and I will see you again tomorrow.